Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is hang me out to dry. So the phrase hang me out to dry means to abandon someone, especially in a difficult or embarrassing situation, without offering help or support. It's often used when someone feels blamed, left alone, or treated unfairly after a problem or a mistake. So here are some examples. Let's see. Sorry, I'm looking at my thing here. The image comes from hanging clothes out to dry. That means they're left alone and exposed to the weather and all kinds of things. When someone hangs you out to dry, they leave you to face problems and criticism on your own. It's commonly used in work, school, or group situations when someone feels betrayed or unsupported. So now here are some example sentences. We were supposed to present the project together, but she didn't show up and hung me out to dry. The manager blamed me for the mistakes and didn't say a word to defend me. He totally hung me out to dry. I thought my friends would back me up, but they just hung me out to dry in front of everyone. So to be hung out to dry, when someone hangs you out to dry, that's not a good feeling. So try to listen to it when you're watching movies or TV or even a conversation, and tell me what you think. Try to use it in a sentence too. Thank you for joining us, and we will be back. Please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.